Hello. I'm making this video because I get asked enough times, um, how do I install a custom indicator to a Mac, right? A Mac product. Because as we know, Mac, Apple as a whole is a whole different animal when it comes to doing anything electronically. So to install a custom indicator, which is indicator that somebody else put together. Custom indicators are those that do not come standard with your MT4 platform, like your MACD and your RSI and your Bollinger Bands and stuff like that. This custom indicator is something that somebody put together, and you had to install them in a different fashion. So here we go. I'm going to share my screen. All right, so here we are. So what you're going to do with the Mac product is that you're going to go ahead and go to, in your MT4 platform, you're going to go to File, Open Data Folder. At this point, you can literally close your MT4, right? You don't need that anymore. All right. So let me see. Okay, I'm going to close this here. All right. So now we have this data folder, okay? So you're gonna go in here and you're gonna look up here to your top left, and you're gonna see the Apple logo, Finder file, such and such, right? And you're gonna see Go. You're gonna press on Go, right? And you're gonna see a menu, a drop-down menu with some different options here. Now, the option that you're looking for on here is library, but you do not see library on here. So you have to go to your keyboard and press on option. Once you press on option, you can see library shows up, right? I'm gonna unpress option, you see it's gone. I'm pressing option, now you see library, right? You're gonna click on library, and that's going to bring up your library. Make this a little bigger. Now, in your library, you want to go for application support. It should be only alphabetical order. So at the top, application support. You're gonna double click on that. You're gonna see up here, it says application support. From there, you're going to look for, I double click on that, what happened? You're gonna go look for your broker, okay? In here, you're gonna have your broker lined up. It's gonna say .com and the name of your broker. In this case, I'm gonna use com.kot Forex, which is my broker at the time. I double click on that. It's gonna bring up my broker. You see it up here, the name. Then I'm gonna double click on Drive C, right? Drive C right here. Then I'm gonna click on Wine Bottler, right? Wine Bottler. Then I'm going to click on NQL4, then indicators. And in here are all the indicators that I have in my broker already, right? Some indicators that I have put on here. So one thing I did not do was have an indicator ready, right? You're supposed to have your indicator ready to go on your, after you download the indicator, you're supposed to have it sitting on your desktop somewhere. Let me see if I have any laying around because I didn't actually open any, but I have some indicators sitting here. All right, so let me see. I can open one of these and see. All right. I just want to find one that I can. All right, let's do, this is some indicators I have here. Let me just pick this one, right? So you're not supposed to open it. You're not supposed to double click. What you're going to do is you're going to right click and you're going to copy that, right, out of the folder or wherever you downloaded from, or out of your downloads, wherever. Once you download your custom indicator, then you got to go find it and let it sit on your desktop. That is where I want it. I want it sitting on your desktop. I got to go find it. I copy and pasted it. I got to see where it went. Oh, here it is. Okay. Daily high and low. All right. So here's the indicator, daily high and low. That's the one I'm going to install. So once I have it ready, I should have done that first, but now we have it anyway. So again, you're going to download the indicator, whoever send it to you, download it and let it sit on your desktop. So it can be easy to drag and drop, okay? So once I have it here, I'm going to drop it into my indicators that I opened, right? And I just drop it here. Here it is, right? Right here. And that's it. Now I can close everything, just X out of everything. And then I'm going to go ahead and open my broker again, right? And when you reopen your MT4 platform, you're going to see it on the indicators list. This is not the particular broker I installed it on because my KOT is not loading properly, but I'm going to show you where it's going to show up on here. All right, so it's just going to show in your navigator. Okay, so let me make sure that I'm sharing that screen. Yes, I am. So you're going to go to your navigator, either with the icon or file. Sorry, view navigator, or just this guy here, either way. My navigator is out. It's out of the, where it should be, but it should be on here, okay? Again, this is not the broker that I sold it on, but this is where you go find it. It's gonna be on the indicators, and it's gonna be in alphabetical order. That one was named Daily, so it will be right around here, A, B, C, D, all right? And that's it. That's what you do. And there should be your indicator. Again, it's not showing on here because this is not the same broker. My KOT broker is not loaded, but it should be on there. All right, so that is all for that, and then you should see that. And once you do it a few times, it's going to become second nature. All right, guys, talk to you soon.